Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. If you're new here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to renew your driving license online. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. To renew your driving license online, you must have an eCitizen account. Visit ecitizen.go.ke and click on Sign In. Enter your ID number or email address and a password and then click on Login. On your eCitizen dashboard, locate National Transport and Service Authority (NTSA), then click on Get Service. You will be taken to your user dashboard where you can see all the applications you've made to NTSA. Click on Make Application. On the new screen, click on Driving Licenses. Click on 1 year driving license renewal. You will be taken to the screen which shows details of your application. Renewal will cost you 650 Kenya shillings. Click on Apply Now. Review your entry details and click on Submit. Next, choose a payment method and pay. Once done with the payments, go back to the dashboard by clicking on Dashboard on your top left. You will see the application status marked as renewed. Click on View. Under Downloads to the top right, click on it and select Driving License Renewal for 1 year. Print it on a paper and cut out the section with the renewal. Put it inside your driving license, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Cheption. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.